Hey 7th graders, today I'm going to show you how to make your human body systems foldable. This is how you're going to be taking your notes for this unit on human body systems. So what you will need is 4 sheets of paper. If you have printer paper, that's going to be the best. Otherwise, lined paper will work, construction paper will work, whatever you have at your house. Okay, if you're ripping it out of a notebook, maybe cut the fringes off, okay? And then you're just going to stack them all in a good stack like that and fold them in half. I'm going to put it on my table and fold it so that you have a book like this. You're going to go ahead and create your cover on this very front page, and then as you do your notes on the different body systems, you will do like just on one of the small pages. So one system will be here and the next one here and so on, okay? If you have a stapler at your house and you want to put a couple staples in here to keep it together, that might be a good idea. Otherwise, just crease it really good. So go ahead and make your cover and put this somewhere safe. Have a great day.